This is our guide to Office 365 and Northwest School Division email. Every student in Northwest School Division has an email address that's been created by the division. A student's email address is simply their first dot last name followed by @nwsd.ca. Student passwords were created at the school. The password is the same one students use to log into school division computers. If you don't know your password, please contact your child's homeroom or classroom teacher. Their email address follows the same formula as our student addresses, first.last@nwsd.ca. You can access Northwest School Division email accounts by going to the division website or any school website. In the top left-hand corner is a Utility Links button. If you click on it, it reveals a drop-down menu and then you can select Mail. Enter your email address and then your password. Did you know that Northwest School Division has purchased Office 365 licenses for all students? And with the license, each student and staff member can download the Microsoft Office suite of tools on up to 5 different personal devices. That means that you can install Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, and a whole host of other programs for free. Access the installation by going to your email landing page. On the far right-hand side is an Install Office button. When you click the button, it will give you the option for which version of Office you'd like to download. It's compatible with both Windows and Apple. Let's talk about another program that many of our teachers are using as we transition to remote learning, Microsoft Teams. Teams is a robust communication tool that allows students to connect with each other and their teachers. Many teachers will have created their classes in the Teams environment and invited students to join their team. Through Teams, a class can interact, have discussions, complete and submit assignments, and more. Teams can be installed on any device. Search in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store for Microsoft Teams and install the app. Log in with your Northwest School Division email address and password.